Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to talk about wire strippers. These are some Klein Tools wire stripping tools I've got, and I use them all the time. These blue ones, I use these every day. I don't use these yellow ones anymore for one reason. They jam up on me. Let me show you what I mean here. See, they jam up, and then I gotta pull them apart every time, and sometimes I just got tired of it and took them out of my tool pouch. And so yeah, those I don't use a lot anymore. Now these blue ones, I use these every day, and I like them for one reason. They've got integrated thread cutter, 6/32, 8/32 looping holes, and they'll strip wire. I like them. They've worked good for me, and I can even demonstrate here. Look at that. See, cuts it nice and clean. No problems. Never had a problem with those. Now these yellow ones, these actually, as you can see, these will strip 12/2 and 14/2. So let's see, this is some 12/2. See, it even says 12 on it. So, alright. Didn't need a knife to strip that. Show you what I liked about these. It's got a looping hole in it. See? So that's what I like about these, and then I can also cut wire with them. And these have the built-in 8/32 and 6/32 screw cutter thing. Let me see here. I think I'll show y'all the screw cutter. Let me find a screw, but that's that. Oh, here we go. I got a screw right here. Right here I got a screw. So, and I think this is an 8/32, is it? Yeah, here's an 8/32. Look at that. And it cuts the screw. That is why I like these Klein Tools wire strippers. So I just wanted to share that with you, y'all. If you like the video, like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.